very young age, my father spoke to me about reputation. I think the lessons probably started when I was 2 or 3 years old, and it was very simple then. Do what you say you're going to do, and over time you build a reputation that's based on the integrity of doing what you said you were going to do. And so that's something that has stuck with me all my business life, and I try to instill that in people around us.
The word value in regards to Penn Engineering comes to my mind as a concept in which Penn Engineering fosters good characteristics in all of its employees and values those characteristics.
Value to me is a set of deeply ingrained beliefs that ties us together as an organization.
Value to me means teamwork across the company.
The values of Penn Engineering are different. They are ours. They are developed by the employees around the Penn globe from all levels, all businesses and regions. Innovation and Penn. It's what got us to be the best at what we do.
Here at Penn Engineering, innovation is truly the ultimate differentiator. It allows us to push boundaries and anticipate solutions.
Innovation is very important at Penn Engineering. It's what really separates us from a lot of our competitors and allows us to solve new problems in new ways.
We celebrate each other's wins and collaborate to develop high-quality solutions.
For years, people have been saying customer first, which the concept is not new. But the people are doing it differently, right? My interpretation of a customer focus or creating customer value is to create a win-win situation for the customer and our company.
Our customers have choices every day who they engage with. And we believe strongly in being humble and listening to them and being respectful. We are constantly focused on the customer and constantly improving.
Our customers get a genuine sense that we are doing everything possible to ensure their project is a success. And that builds onto a long-term relationship and a real trust between both parties.
Is looking for exceed the customer expectations and everything working in a global environment, acting locally with the customers and being sure that the customer is fully satisfied.
Because our customers depend on our consistency as a supplier, and it also helps us to retain our customers.
By embracing the strength of our diversity around Penn Engineering globally, we create an environment where our values bind us together. It's something bigger than ourselves. And around Penn Engineering, there is a willingness and an openness to listening to and valuing opinions in order to drive outcomes that are better than they would be otherwise.
I think respect is at the heart of everything we do here at Penn Engineering and a core value that we strive to live and breathe in the organisation. We try to promote a culture of respect by leading by example and demonstrating acceptable behaviours and attitudes throughout the organisation at every level.
Ensuring that employees consider other perspectives, not just their own, and are open-minded to other people's voices and opinions.
Meine Vorgesetzten haben immer ein offenes Ohr und stehen mit Rat und Tat zur Seite.
Penn Engineering fosters collaboration through our absolute passion to bring our diverse thoughts across the globe together in solving problems.
What we see and what's very absolutely basic for cooperation is to have trust in other people, to trust your colleague.
无论是个人还是企业的成功，都离不开团队的合作与相互支持。团队成员在协作过程和分享胜利果实中建立相互之间的信任。
I think integrity is one of the values I hold in the highest regard, because for me it talks to trust and honesty. It's about how we work together and how we build relationships.
We create an environment where people are passionate about their jobs and enjoy the challenge.
Here at Penn Engineering, integrity falls a lot around doing the right thing. I think the more people doing the right thing and having the same type of vision of how we want to solve things and doing it the right way allows us to get exactly what we want.
We're signing up to these powerful 5 values. These are the standards by which we operate. We hold each other accountable to these standards all the way up, down, and across the company. We expect one another to embrace and live to these values, and in doing so we will succeed in the Penn way, proudly, and in a way that lasts because it's the right way.